You may feel tired, emotionally drained, or stretched beyond your limits. God sees that exhaustion, and He is not distant from it. This season is not breaking you. It is strengthening you from the inside. Even when your body feels weak, God is restoring your spirit. Pause here. Breathe deeply. Let this prayer remind you that God renews strength quietly and faithfully, even when life feels heavy and overwhelming. Strength does not always arrive as energy. Sometimes it comes as peace in the middle of pressure. God is teaching you how to rest your heart, even when circumstances do not change yet. This quiet strength is forming resilience within you. Do not ignore it. God is sustaining you day by day, breath by breath, reminding you that you are held, supported, and never expected to carry everything alone. God is strengthening parts of you that no one else can see. While the world measures progress by productivity, God measures growth by endurance and trust. In your quiet moments, He is rebuilding your courage, calming your thoughts, and restoring hope. Do not rush this process. What God is forming inside you now will support everything you face later. Let His strength replace your pressure one moment at a time. You do not have to prove your strength to anyone. God already knows your limits, and He is meeting you right there. This season is teaching you to lean on Him instead of pushing yourself beyond what your soul can carry. Release the pressure to be strong all the time. God's strength flows best when you allow yourself to rest, trust, and receive His care without guilt or fear. When exhaustion whispers that you cannot continue, God speaks renewal into your spirit. He is not asking you to run faster, but to remain faithful where you are. Strength grows when you stop resisting your limits and start trusting God's presence within them. This is not weakness, it is wisdom. Allow God to refill what has been drained and restore you gently, patiently, and completely. God restores strength in layers, not all at once. Some days He renews your peace, other days your clarity, and sometimes only your ability to keep going. Every form of renewal matters. Do not minimize small improvements. They are evidence of God's care. Stay present, remain open, and trust that even gradual healing is still healing. God is patient with your process and faithful in restoring what feels worn down. God is not disappointed by your need for rest. He designed your soul to pause, breathe, and recover. This season invites you to slow down without guilt and trust without pressure. Strength is growing quietly as you allow God to carry what you cannot. You are not falling behind. You are healing, learning, and being restored at the pace your heart truly needs. Even when your strength feels inconsistent, God remains steady. He is teaching you to depend on Him instead of your own effort. In weakness, His presence becomes clearer and more personal. You are learning how to receive grace without earning it. Let this moment remind you that God's power flows best where humility lives. You are being supported, sustained, and renewed in ways that go deeper than energy. When you feel emotionally fragile, God is not alarmed. He is gentle with your heart and attentive to every unspoken prayer. This season is teaching you how to feel without falling apart and how to trust without having all the answers. God is strengthening your emotional roots so that future storms will not shake you as deeply. Stay close, stay honest, and allow His presence to steady you. God is teaching you that strength is not loud or forceful. It is quiet, steady, and rooted in trust. In moments when you feel empty, He is filling you with patience, wisdom, and calm. And you are learning to move forward without rushing and to breathe without fear. This inner strength will guide you long after this season ends. reminding you that God carried you when you could not carry yourself. If you feel like you are surviving rather than thriving, know that God honors survival seasons. They build humility, awareness, and dependence on Him. You are learning how to endure without losing yourself. This is not a step backward. It is preparation. God is strengthening your inner foundation so that when growth comes, it will be stable, healthy, and lasting. Stay faithful in this quiet, rebuilding phase. As God strengthens you inside, your perspective begins to shift. What once felt overwhelming now feels manageable, one step at a time. This is evidence of renewal. God is not rushing your healing. He is making it lasting. Each prayer, each pause, each breath is building stability within you. Trust this quiet transformation. You are becoming stronger in ways that will carry you forward with peace and confidence. With every quiet day, God is restoring balance inside you. Your emotions are stabilizing, your thoughts are softening, and your faith is becoming steady again. This is not accidental. God is rebuilding your inner strength gently, without pressure or fear. What once felt heavy will soon feel lighter. Stay patient with yourself and trust that God is renewing you in ways that will sustain you long after this season passes.